Hi friend, Marian here, Potentials.com, signing at our channel. We are still in Cebu, so tomorrow we're going back to Bulacan na, or Manila, Maya Terminal. So, I'd like to share lang yung ating book sale haul at SM Cebu. So, ito, yesterday we went to book sale. So, ito na lang yung book sale na we can go here sa Cebu, wala kasi sa B-side. So, we bought 2 books. Ito, My Devotions, Daily Readings for Young Christians. So, Christ Connection. So, mga ano siya yan. There's a journal, pray. So, sabi, for example, April 16, I am with you. Yung journal, ano niya is, share a time when you were worried about being separated from your parents. There's a prayer. So, yan doon. A sustaining word. Journal, write a note in someone who needs encouragement. Maganda yung mga journal prompts niya. That's why we bought it. April 12, basis covered. Write about a ball game you've seen on play. So, ano siya? Covers March until May. So, yan. March, April, May. So, 3 months siya. So, yan. Mga journal prompts. Puzzling messages. Make up a puzzle using the same method that the puzzle used. Ayan. So, yun po. Then, we have another one. Mom Connection. Creating vibrant relationship in the midst of motherhood. So, ganun din. Marami din siyang activities. May mga mom-tested tips. For example, a topic on game night. So, ang mga tested tips niya. List your favorites. What are your inside jokes? Stuck on a feeling. Prayer. So, journal din. Meron din siyang journal. Prompts. No? So, yan. Mom Connection. So, we have these 2 haul from SM Cebu. Book sale SM Cebu. Keep on reading and learning. Stay safe, everyone. God bless you all. Thank you for watching. See you in our next video.